Hey there fashion enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel Fashion Picks, your go-to destination for all the things about the fashion. Well, today we are diving into the closet decluttering strategy. So without further ado, let's declutter and make your wardrobe look stylish. So guys, basically this video will include just 6 steps to declutter your wardrobe. Just 6, yes. So let's start with the very first one without further ado. By the way, before we get started, grab your favorite marker and let's make this decluttering very easy and flowy. Also have few storage bags or bins to segregate your clothes. Got the things? Perfect. Also, this itself was the very first step of preparations, and you can also put on some music to make this session more interesting, right? Anyways, let's move on to step 2, which is the time to assess your wardrobe. Yes, this is the time to assess your wardrobe. Finally, you take out each piece of your outfits from your closet. Ask yourself, does it fit? Number 1. Secondly, how often do you wear it? And thirdly, you should also ask whether there is a sentimental story behind it. Because sometimes a few of the outfits or dresses are absolutely favorite or gift. Essential question to ask is it your style right now? Because eventually with the time and trends, our style also changes. You ask yourself whether you want to continue this style or you want to change and go with the trend or whatever. A different change it is. So these 3 to 4 questions will really help you rearrange your wardrobe. Make sure you get proper answers to all these questions. You ask these questions to yourself properly and you will find the answer within yourself and wardrobe itself. Once the things are decided, we can further move to step number 3, which is the simple process or the KDD process. So basically all these 3 letters means the following. The first K stands for the keep, secondly the D stands for donate, and third D or the second D stands for the discard process. So this is the fun part actually. Okay, keep will be for those absolutely essential and your favorite ones. Donate for those pieces which still are in good condition and shapes but you do not want it further. Discard for those pieces which you haven't worn since months. Oh yes guys, these 3 steps will really make out for 50% of your decluttering work. Okay, moving to the 4th step, which is organizing and storage. So this is the time to organize your keep items thoughtfully. Think for hangers, shelves, organizers, and organize them because your wardrobe deserves a stylish home too. Moving on guys, step 5 includes a kind of advisable tip which is all about regular maintenance. Yes, maintaining your wardrobe is equally important as decluttering it because it can save your time if you organize them properly and also schedule the closet check-ins regularly. This would surely, trust me, save your time. Finally, we are at step 6, which is styling and outfit planning. Now with your clutter-free wardrobe, you are all ready to mix, match and create effortless stylish looks for yourself. And also remember, it is not always necessary to follow the trends. Be confident with your own style and looks. Tell us if we should come with the proper detailed styling and outfit planning, because both these are different topics which can be properly covered in full videos. Yeah, I think that's it. If you like the video, please do like this video and please do subscribe to our channel because making such videos takes so much time and your like and subscribe it makes up all. So what are you waiting for? Roll up your sleeves right now and start decluttering your wardrobe, and also share the journey after you do this once, and ask the questions in the comment if you have any. Bye bye. Thank you. Be stylish, be confident.